can change the time based on your location by using the time zone setting. There are a couple of things to remember before you do this. Anyone who's logged in except you will be logged out. So you might want to do this when no one else is logged in. To change the time zone, make sure you're logged in to Groov EPIC as an administrator. From the Groov Manage home screen, select System, then Time. From the Time Zone section, select a geographical region. For example, I'm in Southern California, not far from Los Angeles. So I'll select America for the region, and then for the locality, I'll select Los Angeles. As you can see, there are several countries and cities to choose from. There's Los Angeles. Now select Set Zone, and your time zone is set.